All right, we're going to start CAD 55, pulley wheel. Now, this one's got kind of an interesting little hole in it that we got to make. And let's see, it is inches. All right, now we're going to do this one from the front view, okay? And we're going to do a revolved surface. Now, first thing I want to do, of course, is draw my center line. So there's my center line. All right, now I got a rectangle. And I got another rectangle out here. I don't want them to line up like that, so I'm going to do that. Now, this one is going to be 1.25, and the other one's going to be 1. So let's get this one first. 1.25. There we go. And this one's 1. All right. Now, we want to make sure that that is centered. 0.65 and 5. There we go. Now, our inside diameter on this thing is 0.5. So that'll be from here to here, 0.5. And our width on this thing, we'll just do it this way. That one's going to be 1. All right. And we got 5 and 5.5, so we'll do this one. That's 5, and this one is 5.5. All right, cool beans. Now, I'm going to do this rectangle here. And that one's 0.5 deep, so that means from here to the center point here should be 0.25, and that gets that centered. So I'll trim here and here. We'll just delete that line, and then we'll trim these off. All right, so they've got that done. Now we'll just 3D model, not extrude, revolve. There we go. Cancel that, get revolve, and it gives us our spot, right? So there's that part. All right. Now let's go ahead and name this thing. Pulley wheel. All right, so now we're going to this face. All right, so we got that. Now we have to get this kidney-shaped looking thing, okay? So let's put in what they give us. They give us a radius of 1.25. So we'll do that one first, okay? Now, that one is going to be 1 down and 0.6 over, okay? So we'll go ahead and dimension it in. So that should be 0.6. And that should be 1. All right, so there's our first piece. Now, we've got another one that's a radius of 0.8. So let's go ahead and pop that one in. 0.8. Now, it is 0.9 down from the center. But that's the only dimension they give us, so let's get to that. So here to here is 0.9. All right, then we got another one that's 1.25. So grab that circle, 1.25. And we got that one, 1.2 below. Okay, and it doesn't give us another one. And then we got one that just says 0.3. So we'll put that one in somewhere over here, 0.3. All right, so now what we want is we want these things to tangent to each other, okay? So this is going to tangent this is going to tangent this, and then this is tangent this. So, tangent. Pick the circle that you want to move, pick where you want to move it to. Okay? Okay, that went the wrong way, so I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to move it a little bit. So I'm just going to grab it, move it over here, kind of where I want it, see? And then I can tangent that to here, and tangent this to here. And there we go. Now, all we got to do is trim off, okay? So we'll trim. See? And there we go. Now, what we can do is we can go ahead and extrude this, and then we could use circular pattern to get the rest of them after we extrude it, or we can just do the circular pattern now. And I choose to do the latter. So, circular. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to disassociate this. And we want 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hit OK. Alright, so there's our 4. Now we can extrude. And of course we'll cut through all and hit OK. And there is CAD 54, or 55, excuse me. The pulley wheel. Alright, so the pulley wheel's drawn. Everything looks good. Alright, we got it saved. Let's go ahead and lay it out. And we're going to do a quarter section on this one. If you look at this thing, look at the paper, you see how it's cut out, and I didn't cut it out. That's because we're going to cut it out when we get it laid out. So, once again, doesn't matter which one of these two you use, because you're going to be giving me a PDF anyway. Alright, so edit sheet down to B size, and we'll do our base view. Alright, so once again, let's get the top. And then we'll go 3/4 size. There we go. Now, we're going to do this section a different way. Come out here, go to the center, and then come straight down like that. And that gives you just that one section, okay? So, let's go ahead and annotate. And start dimensioning. All right, so center. That should be 1. I'm doing the wrong one. All right. This thing does not want to cooperate, does it? All right, let's try that again. I guess that's what it's going to do. Yeah, there we go. Take that and move it to the other side so it's not the prettiest dimension, but it is what it is. Okay, let's go ahead and get these. All right. We'll save this. CAD 55, that'll put our drawing number in there. And then go ahead and export it. And you're done. So we'll see you for CAD 56.